58.
Here again. So watch us hold his hands over our hands so we can see. So watch us.
Yeah, let me do like this. My thoughts are justifiable. I know I'm in denial though. My thoughts are justifiable. I know I'm in denial. Yo, being vain is a product of my brain. Being real is a product of today. How I was brought up straight up into the pain. Let me see what's really good for me and what I really should be doing for the real Stephen T and everyone around me. And not what they can do for me, but what I can do for them. Lend them a hand with the problematic, unrealistic expectations. Stop and listen, son, you gotta be patient, open-minded, willing and honest. And if you're lying to yourself, just sit down and stop it. Just as clear to me as a bulimic covered in vomit. Coffin, jails, institutions and death. Yo, like nails in a coffin, they got the hooks in the heel. Yeah, no, they're just starting. And for lack of wetter words, I look something retarded. Give me the next beat and watch me tear it apart, kids, yeah. You watch me tear it apart, cause my thoughts are justifiable. I know I'm in denial though. My thoughts are justifiable. I know I'm in denial. Yo, steps that I took were like a smack in the face, but now I'm back in the race. There ain't no back in the way. No whack-ass display. Living my life and what it used to be like. Living 100 miles per hour, only seeing double tunnel vision. Now I got my set set on taking my time, loving my life, and nothing's missing. No more false pride. I got a hell of a stride, cause I'm a hell of a guy. Got a hell of a guide through this vision and quest to conquer with my wisdom and strength to fight for what I know in my heart is the right thing to fight for. A slice like a knife sword to be free from insanity. I'm glad to see it was a tragedy. Yo, I had to be like this, just to walk around pissed off and mad with a tight fist. And anyone's living a life like that, look at the life that you got, whether you like it or not, whether you like it or not. Now my thoughts are justifiable. I know I'm in denial though. My thoughts are justifiable. I know I'm in denial. Yo, be grateful for the spot that you got on this beautiful planet we call Earth. It's not too absurd to admit you're sick and surrender to a power greater than yourself. It's what's best for your mind, your spirit, and your health. Stop itching the bell, the cards you've been dealt. Look at the pain that I felt. I had to feel my feelings, crying, praying, and screaming to be free and relinquish my demons. And now I love what I'm seeing, my purpose and place intertwined with my inner being. One moment less to the ends of time. I'm gonna take all these dark thoughts, yo, out of my mind, turn them into motivation, then I'll use them for my grind. No need for what they're seeing. These are my eyes watching time fly, and I see more clearly every single day, and I never really ever want it to fade. Yeah, 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 yo, my thoughts are justifiable. I know I'm in denial though. My thoughts are justifiable. I know I'm in denial. Yo, clouds have lifted and the fog is gone. This is my life, it goes on and on. No more cravings, the phenomenon has now been lifted. If you were given a gift, show that you're gifted. This life's a little beautiful and twisted.
Where I was told that I'll be alright. My eyes are full, body still, my mind's so smooth and bright. Close your eyes, fly with me to the other side. Close your eyes, fly with me, everything will be alright. Close your eyes, fly with me to the other side. Close your eyes, fly with me, everything will be alright. Where I am, where we're going, man, it isn't here. Where I is no fear. Where I am, where we're going, man, there is no pain. Listen close, go to sleep, night is here again. The watcher holds his hands over our eyes so we can't see. The watcher holds his hands over our mouth so we can't breathe. The watcher holds us in the sky so effortlessly. The watcher holds us at night while we sleep. Remember, close your eyes, fly with me to the other side. Close your eyes, fly with me, everything will be alright. Close your eyes, fly with me to the other side. Close your eyes, fly with me, everything will be alright.